Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome to a full guide on Microsoft 365 Word for productivity. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access cloud storage. Your OneDrive gives 1 GB or more depending on subscription. The Word home screen shows 5 recent documents and pinned files. Use the ribbon to find Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View tabs. Customize the Quick Access toolbar for fast commands. Save automatically with Auto Save when you open files from OneDrive or create a new document from blank or from a built-in template with modern layouts. Apply styles to headings and body text for consistent formatting across a document. Use Ctrl+B, Ctrl+I, and Ctrl+U for bold, italics, and underline respectively. Insert images and smart art from the Insert tab and resize using drag handles or exact dimensions like 3.5 inches. Use Find and Replace to update text quickly across long documents. Turn on track changes to review edits and add comments for collaborators. Share documents by clicking Share and inviting people with email addresses or copying a link. Set permissions to can edit or can view before sending to control access. Co-author in real time when collaborators edit files stored on OneDrive or SharePoint together. Use version history to restore previous versions or to name important milestones. Export to PDF from the File menu for distribution and use Print to produce physical copies. Explore add-ins and macros to automate tasks and increase productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.